the scene. From sweet to savory, we reign supreme. In the heat of the pan, we craft our dreams. Spices and herbs like you've never believed. Mixing up magic with each little thing. We're the chefs of tomorrow.